Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to change the appearance from dark to light on your account on Wattpad easy and quickly. So first of all, enter this application, then click on your profile icon and then go to the settings. So as you see here, you will find the dark mode on the settings, so click on it. Here you can add off if you want to make it light like this, light mode, and also you can turn it on in the or auto, whatever you want. So that's it. That's how to change the, the appearance on your account on Watchpad easy and quickly. And that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.